Hey guys, have you ever thought of improving fingers' flexibility? Probably safety? Nope. Well, we've got something for those who want to be powered up, full of bright ideas, and full of water. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. This super thin headphone amplifier will bring studio-level sound right to your smartphone or tablet. Despite its pocket size, it ensures maximum sound quality thanks to the built-in ESS DAC technology. So you'll get the highest bitrate and clear sound when watching a movie, playing a video game, or listening to your favorite music band. The gadget is compatible with iOS and Android devices, and the built-in magnets attach the amplifier right to the back of your phone or tablet. You can adjust the volume with easy-to-reach physical buttons on both sides. Last but not least, the amplifier supports wireless calls and runs up to 8 hours on one charge. Bulky power banks are gone to the past. With this portable pocket-fit cutie, you can seamlessly charge your headphones, Apple or USB-C gadgets whenever you need them. It's so tiny you can put it on a keychain and take it anywhere you like. Well, yeah, with its 1400 mAh battery, it won't charge your iPhone up to 100%. It's more like a power boost in emergency situations, but it's still impressive. The secret is that special magnetic dock that'll keep your power bank fully charged 24/7. The package also includes some screws and adhesive tape, so yeah, there are several ways to mount it. Lack of sleep is a disaster, but this sound-blocking pillow will change everything for the better. The ergonomic design and high-quality foam support your neck and prevent it from stiffening up no matter your position. And ultra-soft thermoregulation fabrics add several points to the comfort when having to rest. So forget about distractive headphones and earplugs and sleep tight. This thing will take care of all those snowbanks in your front yard. So this is basically a cordless electric shovel. It runs on a rechargeable battery and features 16-inch clearing width and up to 8-inch clearing depth. 40-volt brushless motor handles up to 300 pounds of snow per minute and blasts it up to 30 feet in distance. Just don't forget to adjust the angle of throwing. The snow shovel's lightweight and compact, so you'll get things done in no time. Printing barcodes, numbers, and small text will be easier than ever with this cool handheld printer. This useful gadget works like a stamp to print images onto any kind of material up to 6 inches in width: paper, cloth, wood, and so on. Furthermore, the printer allows you to print your logos, images, and texts in multiple colors. There are a bunch of preloaded templates, but you can use your own images and text in the dedicated app. One ink cartridge will give you about 1,500 full-color pics, and it's really easy to replace. The printer's compatible with all kinds of devices and pairs via Wi-Fi. Just in case you're not into DIY stuff, there's a bit simpler version perfect for the office. It works on a variety of porous surfaces including paper, cardboard, and paper bags, and offers up to 5,000 multicolor pics. So pick yours. The problem of hidden cameras has become really dramatic in the last few years. One can be placed in a hotel room, dressing room, or bathroom, but now with this new gadget, you can feel safe everywhere. It's equipped with a detachable head and 8 red LED strobe lights. As you activate the gadget and look through the viewfinder, every camera lens around you should blink back. It doesn't matter whether the camera is on or off, what type or size it is, there's more. The Detector has 12 sensitivity levels and 4 various modes suitable for finding wireless hidden cameras, eavesdropping devices, GPS locators, and so on. Thanks to the pocketable size, you can take this thing everywhere you go. Spies are defeated. What's that, you may ask? It's a command center for your PC. To be more specific, it's an interactive heads-up display with a fully customizable LCD touchscreen, able to control games and apps and monitor your system. You'll get a real-time status of your CPU and GPU, as well as temperatures and fan speeds. As for the compatible device settings, it's so easy to set mouse sensitivity, headset equalizer, and sound with just a tap of the screen. Feel free to tap your apps and customize the settings right in the middle of your gaming session. As for the entire look, you'll definitely appreciate one of 200 personalized swipe-to-navigate screens with unique graphics and icons. How to gain more precision and accuracy when playing, let's say, a guitar. With these finger weights, you'll rock like Jimi Hendrix and Kurt Cobain. Actually, the device is pretty versatile and is designed to meet the needs of pro and amateur athletes, video gamers, and musicians. You can pick either a particular kit for particular needs or get an ultimate multi-purpose combo set. So the package includes either original or flex rings that are comfortable to wear and some stainless steel weights. Each of them weighs 1 ounce, and you can vary their number on every finger. As a result, you'll improve your finger's strength and flexibility and exercise them for faster reaction and better control. Everything's on the tips of your fingers now. Get a chance to create a better working environment either at work or in a home office. So this portable organizer features several movable dividers to suit your specific needs. The foam-padded interior will keep your belongings safe and protected as you go about your daily commute. There's more. The tray can wirelessly charge numerous QuenchSea-certified devices, your phone, your earbuds, and so on. On the other side of the tray, you'll find a bunch of slots to store paper and cards. Dual-function hinge mechanism allows you to lift the lid or flip it open like a book to access the internal storage. Last but not least, there are several colors to choose from. Would you like to see more than just the world around you? With this microscope, you can observe tiny objects, making them up to 1,000 times bigger. The device can easily magnify anything you want to explore in detail. The wired version is compatible with Android and Windows devices, while the wireless one is suitable for all types of smartphones, laptops, and so on. Thanks to the built-in light and several modules in the package, the picture will always be bright and crisp. What's more, it's compact enough to carry it in your pocket while heading to work or exploring the nature around you. And the dedicated app makes it possible to share your pics and videos with others. Ready to look inside this new-gen box of secrets? Choose the box modification you like and benefit from a full capacity of a traditional Windows computer. The device requires minimum space on the desk and provides the same capacity and connectivity as a full-size CPU. It has multiple inputs including USB 2.0 and 3.0, HDMI, Ethernet, headphones, mic, and more. The chipset capacity is enough to work with graphic editors, 3D modeling tools, and even run some light games at 1080p and 60 FPS. Not bad! Whether you're an undercover agent or a mad scientist, this device is for you. This professional infrared camera with an adjustable and strong alloy lens lets you see things like pipe leaks in your home, detect electrical equipment heating, and maintain vehicles. Thanks to the ergonomic grip, the device is easy to operate with one hand. With a resolution of 256 by 192 and a wide temperature range, you'll immediately see the slightest abnormalities on the display. 5 buttons will measure the temperature and navigate through the settings. Last but not least, the device is water and shockproof, so it'll serve you for ages. In case this cam is too bulky, here's a tiny one with the same performance. It weighs less than 1 ounce. That's extremely lightweight and portable. Ran out of water in the middle of the ocean? Oops! Don't panic. This device will save you from dehydration. So it's a portable, manually powered device that'll turn seawater into drinkable fresh water. It features an innovative technology that combines a hydraulic system, triple pre-filtration, and a small reverse osmosis membrane. All these small details altogether help to desalinate seawater into fresh water, so take this thing on your next voyage, you won't feel thirsty again.